Hi, welcome back to my channel NeZz Moy. And this time I will make some video. It's a recipe for my chocolate souffle. It's very easy and very simple for remember the ingredient. Just use it to ingredient can you make lovely souffle. So stay tuned terus on my channel. Okay, let's go to my kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back with me NeZz Moy. So this time I've already prepared ready for the ingredient for mix lovely souffle. Okay, the first time is the 120 ml of chocolate hazelnut spread like this one. You can buy on the supermarket or market. Is everything can use it, but chocolate hazelnut. And the second one is 2 of egg, and we may spread the egg yolk and the white color one of the egg mix spread. Okay, and just two only ingredient can make it lovely souffle. Okay, so let's go. We make it. The first time is the chocolate mixed together with the egg yolk like this one. Okay, we make it together. You can see here. Okay, you can put together, mix together. Mix together until both of them is nothing color. Yeah, like this. Alright, so the chocolate hazelnut is already mixed together, and I will shake the white color of egg to make the bubble. Okay, so put together, put some almond roll, and then we mix it. The second one, chocolate and hazelnut spread mixed together. Put on the bubble white color, okay? Mix together with both of them. Don't put any sugar or everything because just only two ingredient you can make it souffle. It's really easy and very simple. Mix together, make sure for everything knife and glaive all is both color is same. Look, it's already everything mixed together, and then I will put on the lovely bowl of the souffle special for it, and we put it. Okay, and we need to on the oven or bake is maybe 200 Celsius or 200 Fahrenheit for the bake it. But before, make heat first before you use it, okay? Heat the oven before you use it, so it's make more lovely fluffy souffle. We need to put the lovely souffle into the bake. About preheat 190 Celsius and bake until 17 minutes. We're waiting for 70 minutes. Hi guys, this lovely souffle after 17 minutes bake on the oven. So look, it's very lovely, right? Really tasty and really simple, really very easy ever. Just two ingredients you can make it lovely souffle. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your social media. And if you enjoy with my video, waiting for my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.